Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today I've got this product for unboxing and review. It is from Revolut. It is a debit card, and how you can get this product you can find out all about. Stay with me and you're going to find out all about this card. Well, let's see how it opens. Nice and lovely packets. You can see, very premium. Nice. Revolut. Radically better turnover. Oh, let's turn over to see. Check your PIN at any time in the card tab. Always choose to be charged in the local currency while abroad. Revolut works in over 130 currencies. We automatically convert your balance into the local currency. Please check your Revolut account is verified in the profile section of the app to start using the Revolut card. You can download the app on Android and iOS, and then you can order this card. It will take about 1 minute from the Revolut app. It's very easy, and then you will have an access of a varieties of settings. So let's see the card. Nice plastic card, Visa, Revolut, the chip, your personal NFC, contactless, debit, and we have a pigeon here. That's nice. Nice colors. Of course, you can get access to a premium card and a metal card. Of course, this is the free card that they can send you. In a premium and metal card, I think you need to pay some fees every month. But you can get this for free if you've got some friends that is already ordered. It can invite you and then you will get free the card. Of course, you need to deposit 10 euros, $10, what is your currency or your current currency. And that's how you will get the card for free. You're not going to lose the 10 euros. Your 10 euros, it will stay to your account. Use your card PIN for your first payment. That's nice. Well, what you can do with this card? Manage your money. Opening an account, as I said, you can take just for a minute. It's so easy. Show you exactly where your money is going each month. Round up every card payment to the nearest whole number. Send your notification into your app in a second when you're making the payment with your card. Travel with easy, spend abroad, withdraw money abroad. Insurance on the touch of a button. That's nice. Send money easily. Transfer money globally to your friend wherever you want. Send and request money in a second. Set up recurring payments. Security the way you want it. Yes, freeze and unfreeze your card. That is very convenient. Control how your card works. Turn on location-based security, and if your card is issued in a different location payments from where you are, they will automatically block any payments and then they will let you know. Exchange cryptocurrency, get access in a second, choose from 5 cryptocurrencies, get real-time rates and alerts. You're going to find out if you're going to download the Revolut app. This is very important. It is a big, huge internet banking to your hand. It's very convenient. Wherever you are, it will definitely help you. I like it. Well, you can find out all about this card in the Revolut.com. I'm just making this video because I like this card. I did have in the past a card like that, and it was very convenient for me to use. Revolut didn't pay me anything about that. I'm just saying my honest opinion. With all that, guys, this is the end of the video. If you do want a product like that, well, just order it. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video. You never know whom you may help, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.